Look at what we've got here. What a beaut. So this is the new color TRX-4 79 K5 Blazer body. So technically this is my first TRX-4 since it's arrived a few days before the 2021 Bronco. But I just wanted to do kind of an out of boxing here, first look at this guy, and it is just beautiful. And wow. So this is the body style I kind of grew up with, this K5. That's what was such an attractive purchase for me. I didn't really want two TRX-4 platforms, but I think I can go in kind of different directions with the build of each of them. So that's kind of what this video is about, is kind of putting out a call to other TRX-4 owners to, you know, see if you've got any input on things needed for these Blazers or just the platform in general, any suggestions. So you can see here I've picked up a few things right off the bat from Traxxas. I got the Pro Scale light kit because this has such a nice you know, light bucket setup out of the box, and all this stuff is just plug and play, really nice systems. And I had to get the chrome push bar, the period correct push bar, and then the swivel chrome mirrors that look like the ones that came on the K5 originally, rather than these peg style mirrors. But wow, just incredible. Doesn't come with a ton, just the radio and a few little spare tools and manuals. But I'm going to get the body off here. We can take a look inside of it and let you see a little deeper. Alright, here's a look under the hood here. First thing you notice is these really nice fender liners, and they are set up for rock lights to be easily added. It also has this nice little tray in the front for a shorty pack, so I've already located a little strap to mount one there. Fairly forward mounted motor, ESC over here, and that servo, the single micro servo, is your I guess 2-speed, and then you've got the dual micro servos over here for your locking diffs. It's very nice. Tires feel pretty good. From what I read about them, these tires aren't too bad. Pretty good flex right off the bat there. The first thing, you know, just the first negative would be the body post. It just seems like old technology. You don't want to see them, and nobody wants to have the little pins scratching up their hood and roof. Especially with the gloss black, it's going to show scratches super easy. All the chrome little details on this body are plastic. The mirrors, the wipers, the grille, the light surrounds. All the other chrome work is stickers. They're pretty good. You know, it's always a question of, do you want them to sticker it or do you want to sticker it? I'd say this is a 92-93% sticker job. Pretty good. Much better than some I've seen. But being chrome, it's very shiny, so any little, you know, imperfection, you can see a couple little bubbles there I'm going to try to work out. But you know, all in all, I think they did a really good job getting it super smooth. So just really beautiful body. It does seem a little thin, but that may be just the curvature of the sides there. I mean, it just seems a little flimsy. When you set it down, it wants to kind of roll, but you can see that that side just curves in so much. But it is super lightweight, which is nice. But there's no kind of undercarriage reinforcements, just old school lexan body. So that's kind of the first look here at this, and kind of the mini stage of what I'll be doing to it right off the bat here pretty soon. But you know, I'd love some ideas from anybody that's got experience with these, any issues they've run into or recommendations they've got. I've been looking at the long arm kit not necessarily for the lift aspect of it, but more for putting soft shocks and running more of a long travel suspension. So that may take this build kind of in a different direction than the Bronco build, which would be good since they're the same platform. But you know, as far as visual, I'm not going to really touch it once I get these little items on here. Body wise, I think this thing looks super classic in this Resto-Mod black, and I love these new style 8-hole rims. Those are super nice. It just, you know, reminds me of my childhood. So anyways, post some comments here, some ideas for this build, and let me know what you think.